The feast of the dedication of the Basilicas of Saints Peter and Paul is a liturgical celebration in the Catholic Church that commemorates on November 18th the dedication of the two major basilicas in Rome, St. Peter's Basilica and St. Paul's outside the walls. These basilicas are significant sites for Catholics and hold great historical and religious importance. St. Peter's Basilica was originally built in 323 by the Roman Emperor Constantine after he turned to be favourable to Christianity. The basilica was constructed over the tomb of Peter the Apostle, the Church's first pope. After standing for more than 1,000 years, Pope Julius II ordered the building to be torn down due to structural concerns. The construction of the new church spanned over 200 years before its completion. It was dedicated on November 18, 1626. It is considered the most famous church in Christendom. St. Paul's Basilica is located outside the original walls of Rome. It was also originally built by the Emperor Constantine, though it was destroyed by fire in 1823. Donations from around the world made the reconstruction possible. Before the completion of St. Peter's Basilica, St. Paul's was the largest church in Rome. The basilica was built over St. Paul's grave. Pope Pius IX consecrated the basilica in 1854. The significance of this feast in the Catholic Church is emphasized in the reference made to them in the obligation of Catholic bishops to make ad limina visits, in which they are required to go to the tomb of the apostles in Rome once every 5 years and report the status of their dioceses to the Pope. Thus, these two basilicas represent the church which stands on two strong pillars, Saints Peter and Paul. The dedication of a church is a sacred and spiritually significant event in the Catholic tradition. It marks the consecration of a place of worship, designating it for the celebration of the Eucharist and other liturgical activities. The feast of the dedication of the Basilicas of Saints Peter and Paul emphasizes the sanctity of these basilicas as places of worship and as means of honoring the two apostles on whose blood our faith has grown.